Hello and welcome to the video number 2 of IBM Bluemix tutorial. In this video, we are going to set up the IBM Bluemix developer environment. To do that, first go to Google and search for Java SDK version 8. Search for it. The first link you'll get is oracle.com. Accept the user license and download a 64-bit version of Windows JDK. Next is again go to Google, search for Eclipse Neon download and download the Neon version of Eclipse 64-bit from this website. And then go to nodejs.org to download from this website. Download the LTS version, and next download Cloud Foundry CLI. Go to the GitHub link. Always use the GitHub link for direct download. There's a download section. I'm using Windows, so download Windows 64-bit version of the Cloud Foundry. Once you have downloaded the 64-bit, we need an editor for our code for Bluemix. So you can use Notepad, TextPad, Notepad++, anything, but I would recommend you to use atom.io. Go to atom.io website and you have Atom Windows installer. So just to recap, first is Java SE development 64-bit, Eclipse Neon 64-bit, Nodejs LTS version 64-bit, Cloud, the Cloud Foundry Windows 64-bit, and Atom for like a text editor downloaded from atom.io. Once you have all these things downloaded, it will look like this. And the first thing you will install is JDK. So let's install JDK. We're going to use all the default settings here. So let me close this browser. We don't need this browser anymore. Select the default version of Java, the default settings of Java SDK installation. Keep on doing next. So once you have installed Java JDK, just click on next. So once it's installed, say close here. Next step is to install the Eclipse. This version of Eclipse Neon is a bit different because in the earlier version you had normally the zip file, but here it will ask you for options to install the type of Eclipse package you want. Install the Java EE developers, this piece for Bluemix. So here click on install, accept the terms and conditions. So once Eclipse is installed, we will exit it. We'll launch it later. Next, we're going to install the Node.js. So as I said, it's all going to be default selections. Do not change any settings here and just install it. So Node.js is also done. Next, we are going to install the CF, Cloud Foundry services, and it's going to be installed directly from the zip location. Say run. Select all the default options. Don't have to change anything. And the last but not the least, I'm going to install the Atom, the text editor. As I said, it's not mandatory to install Atom at all. It's just the preferred method. You can always use TextPad, Notepad++, or any other text editor of your choice. There you go. So Atom is installed too. Now, next step is to install two plugins in Eclipse for Bluemix. So open the Eclipse, and from the marketplace, we'll install the Bluemix as well as the Node.js for Bluemix. So I've launched Eclipse Neon. So once in, go to Eclipse Workbench. Go to Eclipse Workbench, and from the marketplace, go to Help, and Eclipse Marketplace. Search for Bluemix. You can see Eclipse, IBM Eclipse for Bluemix for Neon, and IBM Node.js for Eclipse. You have to install these both plugins. So I'm going to start with this. just select the default and install. So I accept the terms of this license and say finish. So it will ask you to restart Eclipse. Say no, because we have to install one more, which is the Node.js piece for Bluemix. Search for Bluemix here. And search for this piece. You can see it's already installed. So I have to install the IBM Node.js, all default options. Again, the same thing here. I accept the terms and licenses. And there you go. It's installing the Node.js. It's pretty quick. Now you can restart your Eclipse. And then we wanted to check if our Node.js and CLI have been installed correctly. So for that, go to command prompt. So to check that, on the command prompt, just type node-v to check the version, and for cf-v to check the cf version, Cloud Foundry version. So with this, we have completed our environment setup for Bluemix. In the next set of videos, we will see how to go about doing and creating applications on Bluemix. Thank you for watching.